Gikundi gitari gia thirikari gia Center for Character and Leadership gwataniro na ruhonge rwa mathomo rwa KICD ni manyitanire hari utambia wa kwenjera ugi wa utongoria gatagati ga ciana iria iri mathukuru-ini.
Program ino turamita Cultivating Virtues in Kenyan School Leaders na nitukoretwo tuthomithitie arutani but not many but representative kuma thini wa county 15 na niturehoka ati nituguthii na mbere na guthomithia arutani kuma matura-ini mangi.
Ni mubango uri urakuruhania arutani kuma thukuru itiganite bururi-ini kuri thutha wa kurikirira mathomo maya matanyitwo gutambia ugi uyu kuri arutwo mathukuru-ini mao.
Etikiati kuhetukira project ino turarutithania wira na Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development ya implement virtues in our education system ni kuhota kuhurana na mitugo yo miuru irathi na mbere thini wa macukuru na ciana citu ni kuhota gukura ciina mitugo miega.
By the year 2030 I am very sure if we are having productive learners with character, they will transform our country and also our world.
Gukinyaniria na riu arutani matiganite kuma county 15 bururi-ini ni magunikite na mathomo maya na mari gikundi giki kiugite ni kiratanya makoro magitamburukio guothe bururi-ini niguo kugarurira mitugo ya arutwo.
The Center for Character and Leadership has helped us to inculcate good virtues amongst the learners because they attack the virtues they lack, and as they nurture the tree they also nurture the virtues within themselves.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwo riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa Maina.